Tonight, startling new numbers from the CDC, a report showing hundreds of children testing positive for COVID after attending a Georgia summer camp. Of the nearly 600 people present, 344 were tested for COVID, with 260 testing positive, the vast majority children.
Things are going to be a little bit different.
In a video posted to YouTube in early June, counselors demonstrated safety steps as they prepared to welcome campers. That video was posted June 11th. Less than 3 weeks later, the camp was shut down. The report says regular singing and cheering likely contributed to transmission. And while the camp did meet Georgia's requirements to reopen, the report notes the camp failed to implement 2 CDC guidelines, opening windows and doors for increased ventilation in buildings and mandating face coverings for everyone. Only staff members were required to wear masks, not campers.
So this is one of the biggest outbreaks that we've seen amongst children in the entire country, if not the world.
In a statement, officials with the YMCA of Metro Atlanta, which operates the camp, write, "We made every effort to adhere to best practices outlined by the CDC and the American Camp Association." The statement adds the decision to reopen is one we now regret. With nearly 4.6 million confirmed cases in the U.S. and more than 154,000 deaths, local leaders in Michigan, Kentucky, and Arizona are implementing new restrictions as cases across the country are once again on the rise.
What does that tell us about this virus?
That just tells us we can't take our foot off the brake yet.
On the first day of school in Greenfield, Indiana, officials at the local junior high learned that a student's COVID test had come back positive. The superintendent says the student was immediately isolated, all in close contact ordered to self-quarantine. The school itself deep cleaned and allowed to remain open. But in California, where cases topped 500,000 this week, a Fresno County teen died from the virus, a devastating reminder that the deadly impact of COVID does not discriminate.
It's a huge trauma for everyone that's involved, including the hospital workers who still coping on this case.
And Blaine joins us from Atlanta. The governor has extended the state's public health emergency.
That's right, until mid-September, Jose, and hospitals are now warning that they could soon run out of beds. That's why here at the Georgia World Congress Center, starting Monday, the center will become a makeshift hospital with 60 beds ready to receive patients.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.